this is the best way to create blur effect on your smartphone. When you have your logo like this and you want it to appear like this is another example. This. Now note that this emoji has the Photoroom icon here. I will show you how you will create the blur effect without it having the watermark. So you first the first thing you do is to go to Photoroom. If you do not have Photoroom, go to Play Store and type Photoroom. When you type Photoroom, this is it. Look at the logo so that you will not download the wrong Photoroom. Then when you click on open, it will bring you here, and then when you click on open, it will bring you here. Then you click on start from photo. The first thing is that you should have downloaded what you want to blur. Whatever you want to make blur, download it first. Now let's say you want to make this emoji blurry, then we click on this emoji. The first thing that it will do is that it will remove the background. So you can also use this app to remove the background of any image. Then when you click on it like that, it will remove the background. Then you come to transparent, because we don't want the one that has a background. When you click on transparent, you now click on layers and then click on graphics. Then you scroll down to look for blur. There are other things that you can do on this app, but this video focuses on blur. So you click on blur, then you see that it has changed. Then you can increase it, and if you don't want this type of blur, you can click on another one, increase it, or leave it. You can click on another one. This one is motion. You can increase it. If you can click on hexagon, you see that the effect is different. Then you can increase it also. You can click on square, you can click on box, you can click on this, however you want it, anyone you want at all. So when you increase it like this, let's say this is how we want it to be, then you click on done, and then you export. When you export it, it will have the Photoroom watermark on it. So you save it to gallery because we are using the free version. Now if your image has the watermark on it such that it is showing like this, you know that for this one that I did, you can crop out the watermark because it is far from the original image. But for this one, there is no way you crop out the watermark that it will not affect the image. So to avoid something like this, the best thing to do is for you to go to Canva or maybe your Pixellab, depending on the app that you prefer. Click on plus, and then let's use Instagram post portrait, because we want to give it enough space at the lower part such that it will be easier for us to crop it out. Then you go to gallery and let's go and look for the image. I use this image, so let's bring this image to this page. Let's place it here. So we can leave it like this, just to make sure that there is enough space here, because this is where the watermark, the Photoroom watermark, will be placed. Then you can download it. So after downloading it, you now take it to Photoroom. The first thing that Photoroom will do is that it will remove the background, so don't worry about it having a background. Now let's go back to the page, and then let's go to start from photo. When you click on start from photo, now this is the new image we downloaded from Canva. It will remove the background. Now it has removed. After it has removed the background, let's click on the transparent, and then let's go to layers, and then scroll down to blur. Then you can select any one you want and then increase it. So I'll be going with this one now. I have increased it, or if I want it to I don't want it to be that much, so just select it however you want it, just increase it and adjust it however you want. Then you will notice now that the Photoroom is here, just like I said. That is the essence of taking it to Canva first. So we can click on on done, and then save to gallery. Now let's compare it with the first one I did. You see when I first did it, this is what it looks like. The Photoroom watermark is here. But now the Photoroom watermark is here, so if I decide to crop it now, I can crop out the watermark from it, and then I can save it and go and use it. If I want to use it in Canva, I can now take it to Canva. If I want to use it in Pixellab, I can then take it to Pixellab.